Hello teacher, voy a hacer una presentación. Oral present. Lionel Messi and my daily routine. Hello everyone. Today we'll talk up Lionel Messi and my own daily routine. Lionel Messi usually get up early in morning. Does sport every day. He often meet friends and does only until afternoon. He always play football and sometimes watches sport on TV. On weekends, he often does work at wall with his family and plays with its children. He also likes to read book in every evening. He does visit music very often and he never does two clubs during the weeks. Thank you, Miss.